So now we have simplified this just to find out what is the frequency where I'm going to have maximum power transfer. So after taking modulus is minus j on both sides will go away. You cross multiply, this b1 will get cancelled. So cross multiply, so 2b r square equal to this term. Expand everything. Yeah, you know r plus jx the whole square is r square minus x square plus 2j rx plus b square r square equal to 2b square 2b into r square. So square both sides. So when you square both sides, you will get 2b r square equal to root of r square into 1 plus b square minus x square plus 2rx the whole square. So squaring both sides, what you get, 2b square, 2b r square will become 4b square r power 4, and this entire term will be coming without the square root. See, what I am doing here is very simple. I have J term in RHS, but I don't have J term in the LHS. So I can eliminate this J term only by taking modulus on both sides and squaring. That is what I'm doing. So I'm taking modulus on both sides. If you take modulus on both sides, modulus of a plus jb, you know, it is a square plus b square. So group all the real terms, square it, plus imaginary term, square it. And then when you square both sides of the equation, you can eliminate the square root. So 4b square r power 4 equal to, you have this expression. So if you solve, you can simplify this equation, and if you solve it mathematically, you will get the value of x as this one. X is equal to plus r minus root of b square minus 1 into capital R. And you know x is omega L minus omega C. 1 by omega C equal to plus r minus root of b square minus 1 into omega C R. Okay, so now take LCM. So omega square LC, so here omega C, here it will going to be only R. This omega CR will not come. And when you take LCM, so in the LHS it will be omega square LC minus 1. Denominator omega C, if you multiply